Crafty Hope, and I am working on putting some earrings on backers to go over to Southern Antiques and Accents, which is a local antique mall where I've got a booth. And I thought I'd show y'all how I make my backers. Ooh. Because whether my earrings are sold on Etsy or at the antique store, they're pretty much done the same way. Now, since I'm all about the upcycling and recycling, I make my own, and I use like the cardboard that you find on cereal boxes or cracker boxes or whatever. I like the thickness but sturdiness of it. And then I top it with some dictionary text that I glue on and then paint over a whitewash of either white paint or gesso, just to give it a nice neutral background so that the earrings, when they're packaged, they have a really nice way to stand out. So once I get all that done and I'm ready to package these earrings up, I take hole punches. Ooh, excuse me. I like to use these really small ones to do just simple ear wires like this, fishhook ear wires. But I'll use both of these if I'm going to do leatherback. I don't have any leatherback to show you today, and another time I'll pop in and show you how I do those. But for this today, I am just taking my little hole punch, and I'm going to punch my two little holes, and I space them based on how big the earrings are. All of my earrings, whether on Etsy or the antique store, will come with the rubber stoppers on them like these, because that helps me keep them on there and it helps you to keep them on your ears. So I put the earrings on my little piece of cardboard that's cut somewhat down to size, and I'll put both of them on there like so, and then cut the base here off just to make sure they fit and they look right on there. So this is how they come. Now, the bigger the earrings, the bigger the piece of cardboard it's going to be on. But either way, it's going to come like this. If it's on Etsy, you're also it's going to be wrapped in bubble wrap and have a handmade envelope around it. If it's in the antique store, it'll have the price here on the back. So, like I said, I'll show you another time how I do leatherback ear wires and maybe even how I package up them to ship. But for now, I hope that gives you some ideas of how you can package your earrings. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.